for super delicious parfait recipes using the DLux Parfait cups. Before we get started, I want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by DLux, and I want to thank them so much for sending me these adorable parfait cups. These are perfect for parfaits or for any type of dessert. DLux sent me 4 different styles of parfait cups. They do have various other styles, and I do want to let you guys know that these are sold separately. My first parfait is the Dirt Cup Parfait. For this parfait, I'm using one 5-ounce package of instant chocolate pudding mix, and I know the directions say to use 3 cups of cold milk, but I'm going to use 2 cups of cold milk because I want my pudding to be nice and thick. And I'm just going to whisk this until it's combined and thick. For this parfait, I'm using the 5.5-ounce square cup, and I've placed some whipped cream and the chocolate pudding into some piping bags. I have some gummy worms and some crumbled chocolate mud cake. If you want my chocolate mud cake recipe, click the eye up above. To start assembling the parfait, I add the crumbled chocolate cake to the bottom. Then I pipe a layer of chocolate pudding, followed by a layer of whipped cream. Then I add some more chocolate cake crumbs, another layer of chocolate pudding, and I top it off with cake crumbs and a gummy worm. And that's how you make a Dirt Cup Parfait. For the second parfait, I'm doing a banana cream pie parfait. So what I have here is a 5-ounce package of banana pudding, and again I'm adding 2 cups of cold milk so that it's nice and thick. And I whisk this until it comes together and thickens up. For this parfait, I'm using the 3-ounce round shooter cup. And I have some crushed graham crackers, I have graham cracker pieces, and again I've added the banana pudding and whipped cream into piping bags. To assemble the banana cream pie parfait, I start by adding the graham cracker crumbs to the bottom. I pipe banana pudding on top of that, followed by a layer of whipped cream, more cracker crumbs, more banana pudding, and topped off with whipped cream and a graham cracker piece on top. And there you have it, a delicious banana cream pie parfait. For the third parfait, I'm making a strawberry cheesecake shooter. So to get started, I have one 8-ounce package of cream cheese that's been softened, and to that I'm going to add 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm going to mix this all together until it's nice and creamy. I am using the 3-ounce tall square cup for this parfait. To assemble this parfait, I begin by adding the graham cracker crumbs to the bottom. I've added the cheesecake filling to a piping bag, and I'm going to fill this all the way to the top. I add a little bit more graham cracker crumbs on top, and then I top it off with a fresh strawberry. And there you have it, a strawberry cheesecake parfait. For the final parfait, I'm going to be making a berry blue Jello shooter. So to get started, I have one 6-ounce package of berry blue Jello. Then I have 2 cups of boiling water that I'm going to add until the gelatin is completely dissolved. And then I have 1 cup of ice cubes I'm going to add to this mixture, and I'm going to mix this until the ice cubes are completely melted. For these Jello shooters, I'm using the 2-ounce short square cups. I've poured half of the Jello mixture into a measuring cup, and I'm going to fill the shooter cups halfway with the Jello mixture. I'm going to place these shooter cups slanted onto a cupcake tin, and they fit perfectly slanted onto there, so that's the cool thing about these. And we're going to place these in the freezer for about 30 minutes until set. Now to the other half of the Jello that I set aside, I'm going to add half a cup of heavy cream and whisk this together, and it's going to make it nice and creamy. Once the Jello is nice and set, as you can see, leaving the cup slanted on its side gives it this nice diagonal, cool looking effect. So now we're going to fill the rest of the cup with the creamy Jello mixture. That looks super cool. We're gonna let these set in the freezer once again for 15 to 20 minutes. Now that these are nice and set, you can enjoy them as they are. Top them with whatever you'd like. I'm going to top mine with some fresh blackberries, which give them a nice, elegant touch. And that's how you make a delicious Jello Shooter Parfait. 4 amazing parfait recipes using the DLux Parfait cups. Thank you guys so much for watching this super delicious tutorial. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, a big thank you to DLux for sponsoring this video and for these amazing parfait cups. If you want to order your parfait cups, I will leave a link in the description down below, and there's also a 10% off code for your first order.